Welcome to Prism Superclub, the hottest nightlife destination in Cabanatuan City. This premier club boasts an electrifying atmosphere and state-of-the-art sound system that will keep you dancing all night long. As the night wears on, the energy in Prism Superclub only gets more intense. You'll be surrounded by partygoers from all walks of life. All coming together to let loose and have a good time. If you're feeling thirsty, don't worry. Prism Superclub has an impressive selection of drinks, from classic cocktails to premium spirits. Their skilled bartenders will mix up something that suits your taste and gets you in the party mood. For those looking for a VIP experience, Prism Superclub offers exclusive table service that comes with a bottle of your choice and access to the best seats in the house. You'll be living the high life in no time, so what are you waiting for? Grab your friends and head to Prism Superclub for a night you won't forget. It's the perfect place to dance, drink, and make unforgettable memories in Cabanatuan City. Come see why Prism Superclub is the ultimate nightlife destination in Cabanatuan. See you on the dance floor.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows.
Ay, hindi na po. Kasayaw.